Hello guys and welcome to my first Paint.net tutorial on how to use the basic tools. Firstly, get your tabs ready. Search texture and a color of space. I chose blue, so Next, have your text. I chose S, but I'm going to change that to U later on. Make a new layer. Go to render, there will be gradient. Select gradient. Choose the color you want. I have Bolt Baits plugin, so if you don't have that you won't have the gradient. When you done, what I decided to do was find a horizon thing. Then either double click on the layer or click properties, then change the mode to additive. After that, place your horizon thing the way you want it and it will look as nice as Mario tasting Pringles for the first time. Thank you guys for watching and I'll see you whenever.